I'm supposed to say something right here, but I don't see any cue. Where's the cue card boy?
Here I am, Mr. Martin.
I beg your grace. You're the cue card boy?
Well, actually, I'm the cue card girl.
Hmm.
You see, the network has been receiving complaints from the women's liberation movement.
Obvious son of a gun.
They feel not enough women are being employed behind the scenes in television.
Gee whiz.
So I'm here to prove that a woman can do any job a man can do with the same degree of skill,
Well, lay it on, Leon.
competence,
Confident?
and technical proficiency.
Technical proficiency. Well, if you're the cue card girl, where's your cue cards?
They were much too heavy. But don't worry. I've written the words you have to say somewhere else.
Well, I'm glad to hear that. Where did you write them?
All over my body.
Well, that's quite a vocabulary you got there.
Can you read me all right?
Well, with letters that size, how can I miss? Yep. Well, here goes, but try not to breathe too hard. One word just jumped up a paragraph. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be... Excuse me, is that a A or a O?
Neither. It's my vaccination.
We'll be right back, so please don't go away. How would you like to read her in Braille?